Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market alert for Monday, March 7th. Commodities are the big story once again in the global markets. Prices continue to rise on concerns that the violence in Libya and other parts of North Africa and the Middle East could spread and further disrupt oil supplies. This morning, crude is surging another $2 and is now well above $106 a barrel. White House Chief of Staff Bill Daley said yesterday on NBC's Meet the Press that the Obama administration may consider tapping into U.S. oil reserves if higher prices persist and threaten to damage the economic recovery. The political unrest is also pushing investors toward the safety of precious metals. Gold is closing in on $1,450 an ounce, following a $12 jump on Friday, and silver is nearing $37 an ounce.
Those higher commodity prices dragged down most Asian markets overnight, but European stocks are broadly higher, helped by a big deal in the luxury goods sector. France's LVMH, Moet, Hennessey, Louis Vuitton is buying a controlling stake in Italian watch and jewelry maker Bulgari. LVMH will also offer to buy the rest of the company for a total of about $5.2 billion. The deal is sending Bulgari shares soaring 58% in Milan. European investors are also shrugging off a downgrade of Greece's sovereign debt rating by Moody's Investors Service. Moody's said that Athens may not meet the criteria for continued support from the International Monetary Fund and the European Union after 2013. The move could renew fears about the ability of several debt-loaded Eurozone governments to avoid default, but the Greek government called the downgrade completely unjustified. The euro initially moved down against the US dollar after the decision, but it has since rebounded and is now trading at its highest level of the year.
Here in the U.S., stocks may open mostly higher, amid news of a couple of deals in the technology and energy sectors. Western Digital is paying about $4.3 billion in cash and stock to buy Hitachi Global Storage Technologies, a unit of the Japanese technology firm. Shares of Western Digital are jumping 5% on the news. Meanwhile, El Paso Pipeline Partners is buying another 22% interest in Southern Natural Gas, increasing its stake in SNG to 82%. That deal is worth $587 million. And Spanish energy company Repsol is paying $768 million for exploration rights in Alaska's North Slope.
One big stock decliner to tell you about this morning, communication equipment maker Ciena is tumbling nearly 6% after it reported a wider loss in the first quarter. Ciena also forecast revenue for the current quarter that would be below Wall Street's target. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.